1, Crescendo!
Getting match number 13 underway for you here at your Pacific Northwest District Championship. For those of you just tuning in at home, we are playing first Crescendo here this weekend in Portland. And this match, a quite even one, especially compared to some of the more recent ones with dominating autonomy. This one, a tie game at 34 points as drivers now take the controls. Over to our respective alliance sides of the field we go, and scooping up any remaining rebounded notes for use here in the driver-controlled period. Looks like at our 1-point amp, there's going to be the Blue Alliance CPR machine, getting the first of 2 requisite amp notes to later amplify their speaker. Iron Patriots for blue now, back at the blue source. They're going to be on the same side of the field there as Skunkworks for red. That's that 1983 machine. Note scored in the amp bottom left there for the Red Alliance. That's a 1-pointer, and it's good. And immediately back to the source they go. They'll scoop up the note and then lob it forward towards the Red Alliance speaker for future use by their alliance partners. The one asterisk about that strategy is that by leaving a note next to your subwoofer, you are potentially leaving it open for the opposing alliance to grab. Now, that didn't happen in this match, but they did lob that forward when there was no Red Alliance robot nearby, so just a thing to keep in mind. 10 points separate your 2 alliances, make that 11 now as we near 1 minute left to play. There's the Red Alliance machine of Saints Robotics starting a new Red Alliance cycle. That was a 5-pointer as the speaker gets amplified rather. C-Cubed from Puyallup comes in with another 5-pointer. Skunkworks tries to round out the cycle. They're not quite able to do so. Unclear exactly how many points Saints Robotics' last note would have been worth there as they hit what could have been a buzzer beater or could have been a buzzer meter, which is definitely a term. 37 seconds left to play here in this qualification match. It is still anybody's match. It is not quite tied. The Blue Alliance leads by exactly 1 speaker note, and we near our end game period. Skunkworks back at the amp for red as the speaker amplifies for blue. A couple of 5-pointers here on Blue Alliance helps extend them to 12 points of lead. Now Red Alliance speaker amplified. They want to eat it back. Saints Robotics launching a few notes alongside C-Cubed. Here comes Skunkworks looking to maybe close out the cycle. No dice, and the note flies outside the field. They trail by 2 points. Up to the stage as we go. Skunkworks airborne for 3. That could have decided the match. Results coming soon to a scoreboard 91 points to the Blue Alliance's 89. Indeed, that buzzer beater climb we saw on the stage. Spotlit robot, no less. That 4-pointer just sealed the deal there for the Red Alliance. 2 ranking points for winning the match for the Red Alliance, and then both sides